all, welcome to WB Institution, an online education lab. So today we are going to see about adders, subtractors, multiplexer, demultiplexer, counters, registers and so on microprocessor. Okay, so coming for adders and subtractors, why and when do we use adders and subtractors? To perform some binary operations. For example, let's take any two numbers, zeros or ones, it going to perform an addition or any subtraction. Okay, it is based upon two methods. Okay, off adder, full adder, or off subtractor, full subtractor. So we mainly use here is a XOR gate. So in earlier class I have explained you what is an XOR gate. So you will be having two inputs of A and B. So XOR gate perform the operations of A B bar plus A bar B. Okay, this one is called as an inequality comparator. XOR gate is often called as inequality comparators. Why? Because we know that XOR operation is what? It will provide you the value of 1 when A and B are not equal. Okay, so why do we call XOR gate as an inequality comparator? In the sense, if you check the truth table of the XOR gate, so what will happen? It will gives you the output of 1 when only the two inputs are unequal. So A, B, this is your XOR gate. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So it will gives you the output of 1 when only the two variables are unequal. Okay, then only it called as an inequality comparator. Rest of them are called as an equality comparators. Okay, so we gonna use this XOR gate for our adders and subtractors. Then coming for off adder. So what is an off adder? It involves only two bits of transformations. Okay, off adder. Okay, A and B are my two variables. Yes, nothing but sum. So adding both of them. C is nothing but carry. So a normal addition. So what we have done a normal addition. So 2 plus, okay, 10 plus 2. What, how will you add? Okay, 2, 1, like that you add. Okay, so 12 plus 9. So 9 plus 2 is 1. So you will make a carry towards your left side, like the ways we have to do that here. Okay, so 0 0, what is the 2 bits? First write as 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, sum. So 0 plus 0, what will it gives? 0. So the carry is also here is 0. 0 plus 1 will gives you sum of 1. Here the carry is absolutely 0. And 1 plus 0 will gives you 1 in the sum and carry will be 0. What 1 plus 1 will gives you? What is the 1 plus 1 in logical relation? So 1 plus 1 is nothing but 10. Okay, 1 plus 1 is nothing but your 10. Okay, sum here it is 10. 1 plus 1 will gives you 10. So this is nothing but your sum, this is nothing but your carry. Okay, so 1 plus 1 will gives you 10. So this last term is nothing but your sum. This last term is sum and this one will be your carry. So sum will be 0 here, since you got an answer of 10, right? That is 1 0. Here the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. It is nothing but it is being multiplied, it is being borrowed, carried towards your left side, what we have studied in your earlier classes, like any binary operations. Okay, so 1 plus 1 will gives you often 1 0 in digital electronics, in binary operations. Okay, so this 0 term does in your sum and the left one towards your sum is called as a carry. Okay, so the now the logical relations. Yes, so you have to check where the 1 will comes. Okay, so 1 will comes only where? Here and here. For sum alone I am saying. So 1, it gives you the relation of A bar. So 0 is nothing but bar. Okay, 1 only gives you a true value, which is I value. 0 is a low and 1 is an I value. So for 1 it is A bar and B, since it is an high value, plus, so it is a SOP. Okay, SOP I'll explain you in by using a Karnaugh map. Okay, and for B check, sorry, for another one check, A is in I, so I have mentioned A, and B is in low, so A B bar. So as I said earlier, A bar B, A plus B is nothing but A exclusive of B. Okay, then coming for C, carry. Carry we got only 1 1 here. So for that only 1, where it gives only 1? When both the inputs are I, A and B. Okay, now just going for a logical diagram. And this one is the diagram for the off adder. So I have mentioned A, B. So we know that XOR gate. For sum it is XOR gate. So I have mentioned as XOR gate and mentioned it as sum. Yes, S is nothing but your sum. Okay. Then coming for your carry. Carry is nothing but just an AND operation of two variables. So I am just marking this A and B and towards I have drawn a NAND gate to that. This is a carry. Okay, this is for off adder. While coming for the full adder, what will happen? Here we have used only 2 bits. Okay, that's 4 bits. Here coming for 8 bits. 3. 1 C is additionally added. So I have just mentioned C naught here to make it as difference. Okay, this is for A, B, C. I mean 3 variables. This S is nothing but your sum. C naught is nothing but your carry. Okay. This is sum and C naught is your carry A, B, C. So coming for the 3 variables, just write down the variables 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, 111. Okay, up to this one since it's the 8 bits. Okay, then coming for sum, first we'll do sum, later we'll do for carry. Okay, adding up of 3 zeros will gives you 0 and the carry here is also 0. Adding up of these 3 ones, 1 is your sum and no carry. Like this way 1 is 0. Okay, see here 2 1 is are there. So what I told you earlier, 1 plus 1 will gives you 10. So the sum is 0 and the carry will be 1. Again 100 will gives you sum of 1. 2 ones you will be getting 0 1 and for 2 1 0 1. And coming for the last one 111. Okay, so first take this 2 bits alone. So 1 plus 1 will gives you what? 10. Okay, so this is the answer for this 2 1. So take this 10 and add with this remaining 1. It will gives you 11. So normal 10 plus 1 is 11, right? So this is your sum, this is your carry. So sum will be also 1, carry will be also 1. This is applicable for your 3 ones. Okay, and the logical explanations. S. So check for S. Where do it comes? Here and here. A bar, B bar, C. This is an SOP. Okay. Then for this one, A bar, B, C bar. And coming for this one, A, B bar and C bar. And for the last one, A, B, C. Since everything is in I. Okay. Each variable is in I. Then coming for carry. This is C naught. Carry you will be having 3 ones here. Sorry, 4 ones. Here it is A bar, B, C and A, B bar, C. A, B, C bar and finally A, B, C. Okay, so I have mentioned only the logical diagram for the sum. The vice versa can be used for your carry also. Okay, the sum I have just mentioned A bar, B bar, C, everything and making it a NAND gate since it is an SOP product, sum of the product. Okay, so making NAND gate for all the 3 4s and combined by using, since everything is in an addition, this is in sum of the product, right? So I have made it a common OR gate. So this is your sum. Okay, for carry you must use this order. Okay, this is for off adder and full adder. So subtractor is completely different while comparing to adder. So an adder, what we have done, we just added 2 operands or 2 minions. Okay, for subtractors you will be having 2 different variables. In off adders or in full adders, what we have used is sum and carry. This will be completely different in your subtractor. In the place of sum, what will come? Difference. Difference is nothing but your D and borrow. Borrow will be B. Okay, so sum and carry will be changed into difference and borrow. Difference is nothing but the subtraction of 2 terms and borrow is nothing but you gonna borrow from any other terms. Okay, then coming for the off subtractor. Okay, here I have used 2 variables. This is for off subtractor. What I said you, it involves only 2 variables. Okay, X, Y and this is D, B. D is nothing but your difference between 2 and borrow. Okay, just write down 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, 0 minus 0 will gives you 0. So the borrow also will be 0. Okay, 0 minus 1. Okay, in this case what will you do? 0 minus 1. This is what I am going to do. Okay, 0 minus 1. How can we subtract a 0 minus 1? How will you do? Initially you will borrow a thing, right? So in 20 minus 5. How will you do? You will just borrow 1 from the left hand side. Like the same ways we are going to do. 0. 0 is nothing but it implies it as a 10. What I said you in the off adder, this last term only is your sum. So 0 implies 1 plus 1 which is nothing but 10. So 0 is nothing but 10 minus 1. So if you gonna borrow this, means what will the borrow will be? What is the borrow thing will be? If you are minusing, I mean 1 plus 1 is 0, which 1 plus 1 is equal to 10 means this 0 will become a tens. So you are going to borrow 1 from that. So check borrow will be 1 and difference will be 1. How in difference will be 1? Since if it is a 10 means 10 minus 1 is 1, because 1 plus 1 will gives you 10, right? 1 plus 1 if 1 plus 1 is 10 means 10 minus 1 is also 1, right? This is in Boolean algebra, okay? You have to remember this thing. This one is very important, okay? You need not to memorize these things. You can easily elaborate or you can easily derive from based on this truth table. If you remember these two things, 1 plus 1 is 10 and this 10 minus 1 is 1. Okay, this one is important. Like this way. See, like this way I have done the same thing here. So, if double 1 comes here, 1 minus 1 is 0 and your borrow is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, difference is 0 and borrow will be 1, like that. 100, the same thing, 1 not 1 and triple 1. Finally, for triple 1, just check. Let me see, borrow is 0. For triple 1, I will be checking. For 100, it is difference is 1, because 100 difference is 1 and the borrow will be 0, like the same ways for double 1 everything it will be 0. Okay, coming for triple 1. So, first make 2 bits, okay, first join 2 bits. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, 0 minus 1. So, 0 minus 1, as I said earlier, what is 0 minus 1? It's nothing but 10. 10 minus 1 is 1 only, difference is 1 and the borrow is also 1. Okay, just keep that in mind. This one is very important to perform off adder or an full subtractor operation. So, borrow, this is for your off adder and this is for your full adder. For borrow, x bar y, and for difference it is x exclusive of y. This is a logical diagram for that, and for difference and borrow I have mentioned the Boolean algebras and then logical diagram for this. Here I have mentioned only for borrow. Okay, difference is also same for what we have done in borrow. Okay, based on this truth table diagram, just check where ones are came, I mean where the outputs are I. Based on this I operation, just substitute the values and check. Okay, these are the basics diagram for this, I mean logical diagram for the off adder, full adder. So, while doing this operation, you must keep in mind that 1 plus 1 is equal to 10 and 10 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, this one is very important. Okay, next we will see about serial adders and parity check generator and amount multiplexer and demultiplex. Okay.